Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another new exciting video which I am sure you are absolutely going to love. So here is a little glimpse of how my new tutorial video is going to look like. So please stay tuned. So let's get started. You can use a canvas for this, or maybe a wood panel or a glass or anything of your choice for this painting. What I have used here is actually glass. Yes, this is gessoed glass. If you have been following me for quite some time now, then you must have watched my painting on gessoed glass. Yes, I had once painted on a glass surface with gesso applied on it. I will attach the link on the description box below. This particular painting surface is actually a framed glass panel which once used to be one of my most favorite glass paintings, but that got ruined for some reason, and I had some emotional attachment with it, so I never wanted to throw the glass off. So what I did was I applied gesso on the ruined glass surface, on the ruined glass painting, and I painted on the gessoed surface. Gesso helps to make the surface a little more coarser, whereas on the other hand, glass is a little slippery, mainly for acrylic colors. It is good for glass colors, but according to me, not for acrylics. At least I prefer coarser toothed texture of gesso over glass, especially for acrylics. So getting back to today's topic of painting, I'm trying to paint flowers today on the gessoed surface. So I have used cobalt blue, white and Prussian blue for painting the flowers. Today's approach to painting is a little bit on the abstract and impressionistic side. As you can see, I am trying to keep the brush strokes intact in certain places rather than blending them. After painting flowers for some time, I decided to do the background first because I can have some more control on the flower shape, and so let's do the background first and then we can get back to the flowers again. The background is again more of an abstract kind. I'm using mauve and skin color and peaches and oranges and yellows here and there. Just trying to play with the colors. I did not have anything specific in mind. I just wanted a very subtle but abstract background. So I'm just trying to play with colors here. And of course, I'm trying to use more subtle and muted colors on the upper side, and I will move on to some bright colors like yellow and oranges as I go downwards. And please don't be afraid to make mistakes here. There is always a second chance. If you make any mistake, you can obviously erase those mistakes with more and more color. So there is always a chance to fix your mistakes in case of acrylics. This is not watercolor, this is acrylic, so you have advantage over watercolors. So here I am using some pastel shades around the flowers. As you can see here, I have made the flowers a little more bigger by adding some more petals around them. Actually, these two flowers are going to be the main subject of my painting. So they need to be a little larger in size as compared to the other flowers. So that is the only reason I made this change. So please stay tuned and let's see how the painting turns out. At this stage, when the entire painting is complete, I will give a black outline around the flowers and the leaves. As I had already mentioned, this painting does not have a hyper-realistic approach to it, so it is always okay to experiment at a few places. So applying a black outline won't harm the picture. I am using a liner brush for this purpose. This is a 0 size liner brush. With the help of this, draw outline around the floral parts. This is the final touch to your painting. So, please go slow at this stage. Once the painting is complete, please let it dry for at least a day. Let's remove the masking tape from the sides once the paint is completely dry. Please don't touch the masking tape before the paint dries out. So this is the final look of the painting. Tell me how you like it. Please give your valuable suggestions in the comment box below. I am applying 1 to 2 coats of varnish here. I am personally using a gloss varnish here because I wanted the painting to be really glossy, because I will be using this painting in my bedroom. But you can also use a matte varnish if you like. And please don't use a thick coat of varnish all at once. Apply the first coat, let it dry, then apply the second coat, and so on. So this was all for today, friends. See you in my next video. Till then, keep painting, keep practicing, and continue to enjoy your art journey. And please keep supporting me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with all your friends and all the art lovers you know. And I promise to come up with more tutorial videos for you. Till then, please keep supporting me, guys. Bye.